back and happy November. This month we look forward to Thanksgiving, and we have both sweet and savory recipes to share with you, as well as some really great DIY fall projects. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make these zesty orange cranberry bars, which are perfect for a fall breakfast. They're perfect on Thanksgiving morning when you're busy making lots of other recipes for Thanksgiving, but you want something quick and filling and healthy to start your day, or they're also a really great snack. Here's how you make them. You will need the juice and zest from a Limoneira mandarin orange, almond butter, honey, rolled oats, sliced almonds, and dried cranberries. Begin by mixing the juice, zest, almond butter, and honey together. Then add the sliced almonds and cranberries, stir together, and finally stir in the rolled oats. You will need a freezer-safe dish around 9 by 8 inches. I like to add mine with a small piece of parchment paper, which makes it really easy to get the bars out. Then add the mix and press down until it is flat and well compacted. Finally, add the zest on top and freeze for a minimum of 1 hour, but they are best if they are frozen overnight. Then just cut and enjoy. Well, that's it for today's recipe. To view, print, or pin this recipe on Pinterest, there's links below in the video description box. You can also follow us on social media at Limoneira Co. for more daily recipe and DIY inspiration featuring Limoneira Citrus. Don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. And you can also shop online to have citrus delivered to your home from Limoneira at limoneira.com/shop. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful November, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!